money. Get to know that you have to make money. And how do you make money? You have to make money. You have to make money. You have to come every day. You have to ask the best way to make money. Can you give us the best? Just recommend the one best app that I can make money out of of your apps that you're giving us on social media. So this is the most common question I'm getting day in, day out, day in, day out. But I really recommend for you to make $100 in a day, for you to make $1,000 in a month, for you to make $50 in a day, for you to make some money in a day. Yes, I always get based on entrepreneurship, and is based on giving you apps or methods of making money without investing money or much. We need your time, we need your passion, and you yourself being available, and challenge yourself, not anybody else. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, always the lady that says, I hate poverty. We don't sit on a round table with any poverty-minded person. So, you guys, as I told you, making money on these apps or on the means that we give you is like you go and open a shop. If you open a shop without any passion, if you open a shop without consistency, it means it will not work out. So go with passion. They give me is like somebody asking you, which best business can you recommend me? If you ask somebody, can you recommend me the best business in your business strategies, in your project, of course, he's going to ask you, where are your interests? What do you love most? So ask yourself, what do you like most? If you're a person who don't like to be on the phone, to be on the app, then I think these apps are not meant for you. If you're a person who cannot do surveys, who cannot sit and think, or who cannot play games, these apps are not for you. But what I also encourage you, or I advise you, is one, what do you want? If you want to make money, get to know that you have to make money. And how do you make money? You have to make money. You have to make money. You have to come every day. You have to come every day. You have to make money. I mean, you have to make money and make money. Without making money and making money, you will not make the money. So if you're a person, I don't know whether I've confused you on that statement. You have to make money and make money. If you're a person who wants to get rich quick, I don't think you will make money, because this platform and the apps themselves are not for get rich quick. If I give you, like our previous video, we talked about the 5 apps that you have and you can make money, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You will not go there today and hit the followers, hit the threshold and make money. No, they are strategies. But with apps, you can start immediately and earn from there. Immediately. But also, you'll not earn immediate all the money that you want. It means you have to put a strategy and work every day, every hour, and you have to know how much do you want to earn every day. So go with me, like what I do on a daily basis. Me as a person, I selected which apps, which platforms do I want. All these apps I always give you, sincerely, I try them myself. When I try them, even me myself, I select which one do I want to go with, which one is easy for me. Me, I'm a lady of a 9-hour job. I do, and I have also a family to take care of. I have my own private life. So what I do, I select which app should I go with. If I decide to go with 2 to 3 apps or 2 to 3 platforms, I have to make sure I have to stand by them. I have to open every day. So this is the answer I always give the people. I don't want Christine to stand up and say, you know what? If you deal with the Amazon affiliate marketing, you'll get millions of money. That's a lie. Also, if you start with Amazon affiliate marketing and you don't make strategies, you don't follow it up, you will not make money. If you start with any platform, are you starting with Facebook? Are you starting with TikTok? Also, you don't make a strategy, you don't make the marketing plan, you don't know how much do you want to earn and how will you earn it, you not make it. So is the way to also to make money on these apps. Me, I can earn some amount of money. Like I earned amount of money like $100 in 3 days on YouTube. Do you know why I did it? And it never happened before, because you'll find my views are 2, 3, 5, 6. But because I want to earn 100 dirham or $100 per a specific period of time, I had to put a challenge for myself, not for anybody. So by 3 days, I hit $100 on YouTube. Why did I make it like that? Because it's the one I want to concentrate on. Then when I got field work, I went and I started a paid work app. The paid work app pays 30 dirham as a threshold. So I make sure and say, what am I going to do on this paid work? Am I going to watch ads, or am I going to do tasks? Am I going to do games, or am I going to do surveys? So I make sure I come every day and I hit my target either in 2 or 3 days. So this is the answer I'm giving you guys. The answer is you can make the $100, you can make the $500. It all depends on you. It will not depend on any other person. No one is going to help you. Even today, you open that shop, you open that restaurant, you open any type of business. If you don't make a strategy and if you don't show that you want it, and you come every day, it will not be there. So the answer to your question, you guys, is here. If you want to make that money, if you want to hit that target, make sure you have a plan. Make sure you have a passion. Make sure you have zeal and you have love. And above all this, you have to be consistent. As I always tell you, if I open the shop today and I've not opened it tomorrow, and I've not opened it another day, I open once. Even if you have the best product, the person without the best product and is opening every day means it's going to distribute the amount of the target you're supposed to get, distribute it in every day for 7 days, and you'll get it. Then for you with the best product, you're going to open once in a week or in a month, the customers will run away. I had that experience in January. We got a hiccup with our YouTube channel, so I sluggished. When I sluggished, everything went down, including the people who were there, the views went down. So my answer to you guys, if you know you want to earn on the apps, don't ask me that question, which one is the best? All of them are best. What you do as you watch the video, practice all of them. Try all of them. The moment you try all of them, get one that you are going to hold off. Get 2, get 3. You say, this is where I'm going to sit. This is where I'm going to be best. And start making the money. That question, I think I've answered it. You guys, let's hate poverty. The moment you hate poverty, you are going to open your shop. You're going to do what you're supposed to do. And you're going to come every day. Thank you very much, you guys. If you know you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe.